I'll tell you 1, 2, 3 when it's ready to go. Eleanor, do you want to come here and sing with Jonah? Sing happy birthday to Bubby? Okay. Ready? Go ahead. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Nancy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Should you do it one more time? That was really good, except I want you to say Bubby this time, right? Because it's Bubby, not Nancy. You don't call her Nancy. You call her Bubby.
Happy birthday to you.
Eleanor, come here and sing too. Do you want to back up a little bit?
Happy birthday to Bubby. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
And you. Thanks. You're so kind.
That was very good. Eleanor, do you want to do some dancing? Eleanor, do you want to do a little dancing?
Let's read the facts.
Wait, I want to do a little dancing with Eleanor. Eleanor, do some dancing. Do some dancing. Do some dancing, girl. Very good. Good job. More. Do it again.
I thought the cat there was a lot in the cat in the hat book.
Yeah.
I thought he knows a lot about playing. Maybe he knows a lot about playing.
Maybe. Eleanor, do more dancing. Or do you want to do again? More dancing? Please, more dancing. Good job. More dancing.
I don't want to do it again, Mom.
This is the last time.
I don't want to do it again.
Good job. Thanks, Al.